Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. I am vlogging today, as you can see, and we are playing D&D today. So yes, we are doing that, and I'm so freaking excited about it. You've heard me talk in my last couple of vlogs about D&D and my past with D&D and just my obsession with D&D. So Raph actually surprised me like a few weeks ago with a D&D, not a campaign, like a one-shot or two-shot, depending on... I'm gonna be here for 23 more days or 22 more days, so it depends on if we can do another one within that time period, but if not, it'll be a one-shot, and we're playing that later on today. It is currently like midday, and we're gonna be playing after lunch. I genuinely can't wait. So it's gonna be me, Raph is going to DM, and then it's going to be his cousin, or two of his cousins, Davide and Valentina. Davide and Valentina are brother and sister. So it's gonna be us, and we're gonna play. We're actually gonna be playing inside of Raph's world. You know how in Critical Role, you know how in Critical Role Matthew Mercer created Exandria and Tal'Dorei and all that kind of stuff. So Raph actually created his entire world, not for this in particular one shot. He created this world back in high school, like back when he was like 15, 16, 17, stuff like that, because he just loved creating and loved, you know, just thinking about things like that. So that's super cool. So we're gonna be playing in his world today, and I genuinely have no idea what he's going to throw at us, but he said that it was going to be adventure, kind of actiony, mystery, and a little bit of horror. So I can't wait, but I will take you with me today with, you know, setting everything up for D&D whenever we start actually playing D&D. I feel like I'm literally a broken record because I just keep saying I'm so excited, but I genuinely am. I am going to be playing a druid. I'm going to be playing a Kalashtar wildfire druid, so that's going to be awesome. And Davide is going to be playing an Oath of the Vengeance paladin. I don't know what race, probably human. Valentina is going to be playing a drow rogue, and it's a soul knife rogue. So a soul knife, I believe, is the ones that have like the psionic abilities, and they can like materialize knives and stuff. So that's super cool. And then of course we have Raph as our DM, so it's gonna be great. You may be thinking to yourself, you guys have no healer. Nay, nay. Actually, the Wildfire Druid, when you get to level 2 and choose whatever circle you're going to be, the Wildfire Druid actually has two things. So you can either be a damage dealer or you can be a healer. So when you reach level 2, the two spells that you get for the Wildfire Circle are Burning Hands and Cure Wounds. So you get both of those at level 2. So you can either be a damage dealer if you want to be, or if your teammates are getting fucked up, then you can be a healer. And then at like level 3 and level 5 you get, of course at level 5 you get Revivify, but it's super great because it is very balanced when it comes to healing and damage, so I can do a little bit of both. Also, I feel like I speak to you in the same shirt every time. I don't know why. I swear I have other clothes. It's just that this is one of my comfy sweaters, and I wear this and like one other sweater all the time just during the day if I don't leave the house. And right now it's like 40 degrees Celsius, which I believe is over 100 degrees in Fahrenheit outside. So it's too hot, so we can't go outside. But I swear I have other clothes. I know that you've seen this sweater multiple times, but just know that it has been washed. Anyways, I'm gonna go for right now. I'm currently watching Critical Role Exandria Unlimited. I am watching a rerun. Well, not a rerun, but I'm watching the stream because I didn't actually watch it when it was live. So I just went on Twitch because I do subscribe to Critical Role. They have my free subscription from Amazon Prime, so I do subscribe to them so I can watch these. I'm really enjoying Exandria Unlimited. Have you guys seen it? Are you enjoying it? I can't wait for campaign 3 as well. I have no idea what to expect from campaign 3, you know, with the original cast. But this Exandria Unlimited is super fun at the moment, and I really like it. So anyways, I have babbled on for 6 minutes, so I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. Are you getting everything set up today?
Yes, I'm getting everything set up for the D&D.
Are you excited?
Very.
I'm excited. Do you want to give us a little bit of information, Mr. DM?
Yes, so it's going to be an adventure, slightly horror.
Ooh.
But there will be some investigation and of course combat, because there is always combat whenever I DM. And I'm going to use miniatures for the combat sections, and of course I've got my Warhammer miniatures, so yeah, plenty of miniatures to use. And when I roleplay characters such as knights or guards, I'm going to wear the helmets that I've got so for a little bit of extra immersion. So I think it's going to be great. It's been many years, and this is my first time to DM in English.
Oh yeah, since all the other ones have been in Italian.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, well that's gonna be great. I'm so excited. I've been talking. I started the vlog a few minutes ago, and I've been talking for like 6 minutes in there.
Yeah.
Just how excited I am. So we're gonna be sitting at this desk later on today, and I'm so excited.
Yeah.
They're on the way. Valentina and Davide, you're on the way. We're almost there. As you can see, I have done my hair for the occasion. I probably need to put some makeup on, but like, I have done my hair and changed my outfit for this occasion. Even Raph took a shower and is everything. He's all very, you know, he looks so handsome. Look at his hair.
Thank you.
Are you excited to DM?
Yeah, I hope it's gonna go well.
I think it would. I think it will. I think it'll be really fun. But no, I've been waiting all day because I thought we were gonna play like after lunch, like around like 2 or something, like 1, 2, and his cousins were like, nope, we need to take a shower and get ready and everything, and I'm just like, so now that they finally told me they're on the way. Anyways, I'm gonna set everything up. Well, I guess we're both gonna get everything set up, and then I'll kind of film what I can throughout the one shot. I hope you can see this, but here is my character sheet. I made this on D&D Beyond. As you can see, I am a Kalashtar druid, and here's my stats. Here's my skills. I really hope this is in focus. I don't think it is. Maybe that's better, I don't know. But here's like my offhand stuff and like the wildfire spirit, wild shape. Here's my equipment. And then my spells, because we are level 3. We all started at level 3. So I've got these spells prepared, and there's like just some basic information, but this is my character. Everybody's here. I'm so excited. I don't want to like put anyone on the spot, but like, there's our paladin. There's our rogue. Here's the DM. And here is the druid. I will show as much as I can of the actual adventure that we end up having. Raph doesn't want me to do too much because he does plan to put this information that he has, or like this world that he's made, into like a book one day or something. So he doesn't have a copyright for it yet, so he can't say too much about it. But whenever I can put in, I will totally do that. But now we're gonna play. We're in a fight now.
Okay, so so this guy attacks you.
Okay.
And what's your armor class?
16. Yeah, 16 from
16.
the chain.
Okay, he's got a mace and leather armor. 17. He hit you. You die, you mother. So he hit you and he deals 4 damage.
Okay.
No strength bonus.
Bludgeoning damage, probably.
Bludgeoning damage, no strength
Però non
bonus.
segno paura, devo capire come segnarlo.
Yeah, no worries. The other guy has a club, so it's still bludgeoning damage, spiked club, and he sees that his friend hit, and he goes, yeah, let's murder him, and he tries to hit you. See? 9, no. He tries, but no. He got too enthusiastic. He got too enthusiastic, so he kind of, it's deflected by your armor. It doesn't do anything. Next, we have got one guy comes close to you and tries to hit you.
Okay.
And he's using a dagger. What's your armor class?
13.
13. 14. Okay, so hit you.
Yep.
And the dagger is a D4.
Four.
Okay. It does have a +1 for dexterity.
Okay.
So 1 and +1, 2 damage.
2 damage. Okay.
Yeah, it kind of sliced you a little bit on the arm. Like, die, spellcaster!
It's break time, and we ordered pizza. So we've got a margarita. Actually, we both have margaritas. And
I
then
don't.
what did you get, Valentina?
Quattro formaggi.
Quattro formaggi.
Oh yeah, 4 cheese. That sounds great. And then you got
Biancaneve.
what is it?
Biancaneve. So
What
it's
is-
just mozzarella and oregano.
Oh, it looks really good.
No one.
And then we've got like some fries, some what?
Panelle and croquette.
So panelle here, and then
Panelle
croquet.
and croquette.
Wow. And then of course we've got like so many beers. It's great. We're having like a proper game night, and I'm so jazzed about it.
Yeah.
We're in another fight now, and we're actually fighting goblins, as you can see here. Actually, really cool. Yeah, he's got the card for it. Here's our characters right here, and then we actually did like a really cool sneak attack. The goblins didn't see us, but I saw it, so I summoned my wildfire spirit right here, and it killed 3 of them. Like just automatically, so that's nice. Good morning, everyone. It is the next morning, as you can tell, and I forgot to end the vlog, but I do want to do a quick little story time with you guys from last night. So we finished the D&D session. It went super well. I think we're gonna have one more meeting before this one shot will end, so we're gonna do one more time. Super excited about it. Everything was so much fun. Raph's world was just a pleasure, and I had a wonderful time. But after we finished, we came to bed, and then at like 1 a.m. this alarm starts going off at a neighbor's house. And you know, we think, oh well, I hope everything's okay. You know, so we wait for the alarm to go off. We're just kind of like chilling, looking outside, seeing if we can see anything. And this alarm continues to go off for 30 minutes straight. And it doesn't make a noise, it doesn't change, it doesn't turn off, it keeps going off. So we just continue to wait, and then it finally turns off after like 45 minutes of just continuously going off. It turns off for about 10 minutes, and then it starts again. And it's just this blaring alarm that's like right across the street from Raph's apartment. It just keeps happening. It'll go off for now like 15 minutes at a time, and then turn off for like 10 minutes. And then we'll go off again for 15 minutes. So we ended up calling the police last night and just letting them know, like, hey, this alarm keeps going off. You know, we just want to make sure that everything's good. The owners may not be home, so it just continues to go off. The police were like, okay, we'll take a look at it. It continued to happen until 10 a.m. this morning. The police did nothing. Maybe they couldn't find the place or something, I don't know, but Raph gave them very detailed instructions. We are sufficiently tired, so we're just gonna hang out and chill for the rest of the day. Raph got this new game called Age of Barbarians.
I love it.
Extended edition, is that what it is?
Extended cut.
Extended cut, and he's been playing it. It's actually super fun. It's very gory, and it's very like suggestive with the female characters, but it's fun. It reminds me of like an old 90s game. That's what it's based off of, right?
It is, yeah. It's an old Amiga game, actually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's an Amiga game that I used to have called Barbarians.
Well, it looks pretty fun. It's very interesting. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope that you enjoyed the D&D vlog last night. But yeah, I'm gonna go, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did, and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I do post daily over here, and follow me on TikTok because I post when I can over there. And of course follow Raph because he makes really awesome videos, and I'll have his channel linked in the description. And subscribe if you haven't already. There's like a checklist. But thank you really for watching. I do appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye! You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Bye!